आपके वैसे your skin has officially staged a protest. Dry patches, breakouts, random dullness for no reason, and you're like, bro, I'm a beginner and I'm broke. क्या ही करूं? Relax. I built a complete skincare routine under 300 rupees that actually works. No fake aesthetic Pinterest vibe, real basic science plus products that won't destroy your budget. So sit back, sip water, and let's fix your skin without burning your wallet. Step 1. Face wash. The reality check. First thing first, your face wash sets the entire tone. Some of you are out there using body wash on your face. Yes, a body wash. Or that random blue gel from your bathroom that everyone in your family. Stop. Your skin deserves at least one personal boundary. For beginners, the best under budget option are simple refreshing face wash, and it's my personal favorite. And the second one is Cetaphil gentle cleansing. They don't strip your skin and don't make them tight. Don't cause that after wash itch. They're just quietly doing their job, the green flag of skincare. And if you're thinking, but I want foam, please babe, foam doesn't equals clean. Gentle formula is more than over cleansing. Step 2, aloe gel. Okay, this is very random, but it's okay. Aloe gel is that one kid in school who was good at everything. Sports, studies, singing, drama. Aloe vera gel is that overachiever. It hydrates, soothes redness, calms acne, work as a primer for makeup, and gives you that natural glow without trying vibes. Best affordable options, if I tell you, is Nature's Essence aloe vera gel. But listen, over the neon green, radioactive looking aloe vera gels, please. If it looks like slime from Nickelodeon, run. Aloe vera gel should be clear or light green, not fluorescent. I mean, yeah. How to use it? Big question. On damp skin as a moisturizer, as a mask, on irritated skin, or under makeup. It's literally your lazy girl best friend. With the lazy girl thing that came into my mind, let me tell you, there's a video in the description box. Go ahead and check it. Just check it. Step 3. Moisturizer, the glow giver. A lot of people think oily skin means they don't require moisturizer. That's like saying I'm hungry so I won't eat. I'm hungry so I won't eat. Okay, anyways, make it make sense. When your skin lacks moisturizer, it produces more oil to protect itself. So if your face looks like a disco ball by 2 p.m., it's probably dehydrated. So best budget moisturizer, if I tell you, is Pond's Light Moisturizer. I mean, I have used it for quite a long time, and you know, it was my personal favorite, not gonna lie. And the second one is Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. Both are safe for beginners, lightweight, absorb fast, and give your skin that soft, supple finish. They're reliable, like that one friend who always replies in 2 seconds. Step 4. Sunscreen. The main character. Now, it is the boss, okay? Not your serum and not your fancy creams. Sunscreen. If your skincare was a movie, sunscreen is the main character, villain, a director, a producer, like everything. It prevents pigmentation, dark spots, tanning, premature aging, uneven texture, and that random dullness you keep complaining about. Even if you're broke, even if you're lazy, even if you're not a skincare person, just use sunscreen, please. Affordable beginner options are Ecologica Glow Plus Mini. It's amazing. I've used it. And the second one, which I'm using right now, is the Foxtail one. And girl, let me tell you, the best thing I've ever invested on. They blend fast, don't leave that crazy white cast, and don't feel heavy on the skin. So how much to use? You need 2 fingers worth. If you're using 3-dot thinking you're doing skincare, baby, that's decoration. So let me give you that entire routine recap under 300 rupees. Looks like this: a gentle face wash, an aloe vera gel, a light moisturizer, a sunscreen, 4 products, 0 complication, 100% beginner friendly. Because I know some of you won't follow a full routine every day. Here's an extra cheat. Too lazy to wash your face? Use masala water plus splash water. No skincare, just sunscreen plus moisturizer. Skin feeling? Meh. Apply aloe vera gel and sleep. Too broke? Prioritize sunscreen. Want glow? Drink water plus moisturize on damp skin. See, skincare doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. This 300 rupees routine is enough to get your skin stable, calm, and glowing. So save this video and make a small shopping list, and bestie, your skin is about to level up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more such content on leveling up your life, your skincare game, your makeup game, your hair care game, your self-care game, anything. Also, don't forget to check out this